I know that the only reason I am here right now is because I was there back then.
All my siblings told me like college is different, college is different. So I did it, and I'm glad I did because it does really help me get to know people and how to adjust perfectly.
You're gonna meet people that you probably would never meet unless you go through this program. And those people are gonna be the same people that drive you to be the best engineer, the best person, the best friend that you could ever be.
So it's not a bad place to start, Summer Bridge.
The Summer Bridge program is just the first step. Its focus is really on enriching their experience and to prepare them for some of the academic challenges that they certainly will have as freshmen coming in.
So we did like classes preview, we did a calculus class, physics class. So that was eye-opening of whether or not I was prepared for college.
It also connects them to corporate partners, to faculty. It provides them with this network which sustains them not just in the first week that they're here, but the weeks and months and years they go on through.
There is a leadership retreat, and the students are working one-on-one together in large group settings, and they've really established team building skills that are needed to make them successful. This 1 week is jam full of opportunities for students to really ask questions, whether or not that is about undergraduate research opportunities, how to ask a professor to do research in a lab, or explore opportunities here on campus.
I don't think I could have fathomed how important Summer Bridge was.
You get to learn a whole bunch of things, not only about Northeastern, not only academically, but also a lot of things about yourself and the people around you.
Coming to Summer Bridge means you're able to take advantage of opportunities that you weren't even thinking of and getting grounded early enough so that we can start to build you towards your full potential.